Hi everyone! So I'm doing a sit down talking video and I haven't really done one of those in a long time, and so I'm going to do one right now. And it's a very delayed video. I'm doing my New Year's resolutions, just my New Year's resolutions. I think there's like 7 or 8 of them that I made. I'm not doing like 10 because I couldn't think of 10 honestly. And some of the ones I did make are kind of stupid, and I was just putting them so I have more things. But we'll see how many I can keep to. And I would also like to mention in this video that I said I was going to start doing vlogs weekly. I have some footage recorded, and I want to put like 3 sit-down talking videos up first, and then I'm going to do my vlogs. I'm going to do this video, the New Year's resolution one. I'm going to do Aiden's 1 year video and my 1 year postpartum video, and possibly my 1 year breastfeeding video, but I could always do that one like after the first week of weekly vlogs. But so this week I'm gonna upload this today, which is Wednesday. I'm gonna upload Aiden's 1 year Friday or Saturday, and I'll upload my 1 year on Monday, and then I'll have the weekly vlog up either Friday or Saturday, depending on when I get the time to edit the video. So another thing I'd like to say is, yes, I'm in my PJs. I'm being lazy right now. Sorry people, but it's mom life, you know? Take your PJs whenever you can. So yeah, my first New Year's resolution is to read more. Over Thanksgiving break, I started reading the Hunger Games book because I seen the movies and I liked them, and I finished it in that weekend that I had off, the 4 days, and then, was it Thanksgiving break? No, beginning of Christmas break, that first weekend, I started the Hunger Games book, and then, like the next day or something, I started Catching Fire, and I just finished that last night. So that one took me a little bit longer to read because I was doing other things. But yes, I have a whole list of books I want to read. The Hunger Games series, I just have to read Mockingjay for that one now. The Divergent series, the Match series, and then the Goose Girl series. Those are all just books that are similar to the Hunger Games that people recommend. So also I would like to start reading more to Aiden. I did get a devotions book for him for his birthday. Somebody gave it to him, and it's really cute. It's VeggieTales, and I've been doing that so far, and I want to continue doing that, and I have been reading to him at nighttime to help him calm down. But I would like to start reading to him sometime during the day. I just need to find another opportunity. But even if I don't get that, reading to him at night with his devotions book is more than I was reading to him last year. I didn't read to him barely anything. Also, I would like to lose weight / tone my body. And I know that's a very common New Year's resolution, to lose weight and get fit and this and that and whatever. But I don't know how other people feel, but to me, like, last year, that was my New Year's resolution too. But after being a year and going through a summer, not being comfortable in my body, and seeing like, wow, I was so lazy for a whole freaking year. I didn't do anything. I mean, I had days where I was like, oh yeah, I'm working out, and I would do little things, this and that. But this year, like, I've already started on a plan. It's a monthly squat and ab challenge, and then there's also this thing that I'm doing that's kind of just supposed to get your body in gear so your muscles don't get as sore when like I really start toning and everything. And I've just been like choosing healthier things to eat, and there was this saying that really is helping me stay motivated. It was something like, it takes 4 weeks for you to notice, 8 weeks for your friends to notice, and 12 weeks for everyone else to notice. So I'm going to at least go 3 months working out, and if I'm not pleased with the results I'm getting, I'm going to keep working my ass off, and if I am pleased, I'm still going to keep working my ass off because I want to get better. And so yeah, I'm just so motivated now actually, because I have seen so many motivational pictures on Twitter and Pinterest, and it's like, I know I can be like that, and anybody can. So I'm blabbing way too long about this topic. I'm sorry. I'm just motivated. I hope you guys are motivated with your New Year's resolutions too. But another one that is really easy for me, is to keep my good grades. Last year I ended the year with straight B's, and this semester I'm ending with straight A's, and so I just like to continue ending with straight A's as much as I can. And yeah, that's a really easy one for me, because school is actually I enjoy going to school. I really do. It gives me time to be a teenager again, and it's really, I don't know, I just like school. I'm weird. I'm just one of those people who like school. Sorry. Another thing is that I don't want to straighten or dye my hair at all in the year 2014. I haven't straightened my hair since August, and that's the last time I cut it. It was cut to like here-ish, and so it's grown 2 inches. I don't really know, but I'm going to get my hair cut, I think, in February, just like a little trim to give it like that healthy end, and then I'm not going to straighten it or dye it at all, hopefully next year, and I'm going to see how long it can grow, because I like short hair, but I like my long hair better, and if I don't like my long hair, I'm going to cut it back to my short hair. What's the big deal? Also, I would like to present myself better, as in my videos. Like right now, I'm sitting here in my PJs, and I look half decent, but I don't look as decent as I would like myself to look. And this is how I went to school, with my hair like this and my makeup like this. Obviously not in this, but I wore a sweatshirt and yoga pants. And don't get me wrong, I love sweatshirt and yoga pants. I can wear them around the house all day, but that's the only place I really want to wear them, besides an occasional day at school. I just like to dress more and focus a little more on me, rather than everything going to Aiden. Like, if you see Aiden, he's a little pimp. Like, not legit a pimp, but he's like so cute. He's just dressed like to the T, and I'd like myself to look just as nice as he does. So I just want to like focus a little more on taking care of myself, like maybe putting a little eyeshadow on, or like just little things like that. Maybe wearing a fancier shirt. Like, maybe I'll wear leggings every day, but I will wear a nicer shirt with them, like a comfy, cute sweater, rather than just a sweatshirt from an old cheer team. But yeah, another thing is I would like to say less. Oh, okay, wait, no. I would like to say less to Aiden. Even though he's 1, I feel like in these past 3 months, I've been saying no to him a lot, and I don't know, I feel really bad about it, because I feel like every time I go and look at him, I'm like, no, Aiden, no, Aiden, Aiden, don't touch that, Aiden, Aiden, Aiden. And so I'd really like to, like, not be so negative with him. I want to, like, be like, oh, Aiden, I don't think you should touch that, you might get hurt or something. I don't know if you guys catch my flow, but to me, I want to have more positive discipline, I guess, for him, rather than be like, no, 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 no. So if any of you guys have suggestions with positive discipline, please let me know. I need some advice. And last but not least, my biggest New Year's resolution is to get a job and keep the job for a year. I did have a job, 2 jobs in 2013, and obviously that didn't work out because now I'm jobless again. So I'll explain more about that in my 1-year update video. But yes, I would like to get a job and keep a job so that I have savings for Aiden and I. I do have savings, but I would like to add to that savings. So yes, that is my New Year's resolutions. I hope I can keep through on most of them. I think I can. And, you know, I hope you guys can keep up with your New Year's resolutions, and stay tuned for my 1-year update, Aiden's 1-year update, and possibly a 1-year breastfeeding experience. And then our weekly vlogs. So comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye!